International human rights laws. Human beings everywhere consider justice as important. It is for this reason access to justice has secured a significant place in the realm of rights under international human rights law. Thus, it may be said that the right of access to justice has its foundation in the various provisions of international human rights law, which has developed binding standards in respect of it. Access to justice received formal alternative from its member states of the UN on 10th December 1948 with the proclamation of the Universal. This document was recognized internationally as the yardstick for human rights and particular for laying down for the first time the key components of access to justice. Article 8 of the Declaration reads everyone has the right to an effective remedy by the competent national tribunal for acts violating the fundamental rights granted to him by the constitutional or by law. Article 8 of the UDHR makes it clear that rights without remedies would be meaningless. It also demonstrates that states should protect and promote the fundamental rights of their citizens by the ensuring their accessibility to tribunal or courts which have the capacity to enforce their claims. In criminal cases, the UDHR prescribes the right to fair and public hearing by an independent and impartial trial, the presumption of innocence, and all the guarantees necessary for defense. The International Bill Human Right consists of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, and the International Covenant Civil and Political Rights and its two optional protocols. Access to justice in International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, Article 2, Article 14. Access to justice in the International Covenant for Civil and Political Rights. Access to justice in major regional human rights instrument. European Convention for the Protection of Human Rights and Fundamental Freedom. American Convention of Human Rights 1969. American Charter of Human and People's Rights 1981. Declaration of Basic Principle of Justice for Victims of Crime and Abuse of the Power 1985 etc.